Guys, I'm sorry. Zkid is telling me to show you around the house. In fact, I have just a single room. I'm sorry to say, I'm not all that rich. I don't have money to have a big house. I just have a single room. It's okay. Yeah, I just have a single room. I think you saw me cooking just here. You saw me bringing water just here. So if you have been staying in a rental house, I think you know what single room means. There is bed, there is water, everything is in that single room. So actually, my room